Hello, I'm Elizabeth Arriens. I am completing the self-reflection oral submission for ECON 202599. I learned that the cost and benefits are the incentives that shape decisions. The full set of costs and benefits include money and time and other physical and imaginary factors. I used to consider pursuing options that contain the most benefit or the least cost, but I learned through this semester that the best options are when the benefits are equal to or greater than the cost. This helps me limit the amount of time of volunteering I do for others when the cost is greater than the benefit. Even when the cost is small, such as a few hours a day, this adds up to 17 days during the year. In Chapter 18, I learned about the game tree that can analyze the last option and reason backwards to all the sequences that flow from the present decision. In Geology 101, I learned that geologists figured out that the Appalachian Mountains form from three origins, starting with the tectonic origin, then move to the Akkadian origins, and then to the Alleghenian origins, and finally result in the Appalachian Mountains. I can use the game tree to understand how landmarks formed or how codes work, which will help me with on-field research. The game tree, the idea is for every event there's two options or more, but we're going to keep it simple and just say two. And they're, depending on which direction these go, they could head in a different way. These are most commonly used for sports and marketing, but now you know you could also use them for land formations. The thing here is usually the blank spots will be filled in with which made it go from here to here and here from here. I don't remember. It could be an earthquake or a volcano that led from this one to this one. It could be an ice storm or a burn fire that led from this to, that could have made this one or this one. That is the main point of these, is to get an idea of what made this form and could it be formed again, and if it could, how long would it take for it to be formed. In Business 101, I learned about being unique from other students and employees. In Chapter 18, the prisoner's dilemma, which includes the following choices that a rival could make. An example is student A and student B need to write a report for the professor. The options are that the student can write about a common topic or a complex topic. If the students choose to complete a common topic, then they will meet the minimum requirements and make a 90. If both the students complete a complex topic, they will make a 90. If one student completes a common topic and the other student completes a complex topic, then one student will make a 70 and the other will make 100. These numbers are not 100% accurate. This is a short summary of how I've seen professors grade. When we learn about Nash equilibrium for student B, we would compare the columns because he is along the columns. So for instance, for student B, 100 sounds a lot better than a 90, so he's going to try to write a complex topic. That is, if student A writes a common topic. If student A writes a complex topic, it would look better for student B to also write about a complex topic because he would be making a 90 instead of a 70. Same thing for student A. We would compare the rows, which is when student B, if he or she chooses to write a common topic, it is a better incentive for student A to write a complex topic because 100% is greater than 90. And if student B chooses to write a complex topic, then they will choose to also write a complex topic. But this is where a slight problem comes in. They could spend more time and research writing about a complex topic by working against each other than if they wrote about a common topic and made the same grade and could focus on other studies. Decision making that I've learned from this course, this has changed my decision making processes because I learned more ways that I can understand how the world around me works and how businesses find solutions to problems. That is my self-reflection on how I am using the decision makings that I learned throughout the course in my current time and for my future.